Welcome back to Nifty Garage. This is Sheldon here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your steering wheel airbag on your Nissan Z. Alright, so first step on getting your airbag off, I'm going to go into accessory mode in the car and I'm going to roll the windows down so that if the door shuts or whatever and it's locked for whatever reason, then you don't lock your keys in the car. And then also after that you're going to turn it off. So first things first, we pop the hood. We're going to remove this battery cover. And then I have a rag because I'll take the negative off, put the rag under the cable just so we have no chance of like reconnection. This is a 10 millimeter, so we can free that up, spin that off, then get your rag and just throw it under there, and that is guaranteeing that it's not going to reconnect. I have a pocket screwdriver right here. You can use an Allen head, a smaller Allen head. You can use a pick. You're going to come through the bottom of the airbag first. All right, so I'm just going to give you a visual. You're going to find the hole in the bottom of the airbag. You're going to push straight up, and it is going to release that tab. You can tell that's spring loaded, so you can see the front of the airbag now. There's a gap on the bottom. So first step is done. And then if you actually look at these pockets right here, this bigger square, there's an angle on the back of it. It looks like if you hold it tight to it, it lines you straight up to get into there. And like I said, you barely dive in there. You pull that up. That one's free. You can see that the spring-loaded part slid down and it's not in the groove anymore. You follow this pocket, like I'm pushing up against that pocket, and then it catches that metal tab. And right when it catches that metal tab, you just push this way with it. With the spring, you're going towards the center of the steering wheel on both of these, and your airbag will quite literally come flying out. So I'm not poking the wire, I'm using the pick as a little scooper. And then we're going to pop these black pieces up first. Use a little pocket screwdriver, get it in there, twist that up. That will disengage the clip. And once those are up, the squibs will wiggle out. And then we have this ground right here. Just wiggle that, and there you go. That is how you remove your airbag on your Nissan Z.